AI engineering is one of the most in-demand tech fields today, but what does the job actually involve? From developing large language models and preventing fraud to designing chatbots and enhancing security, AI experts are at the forefront of technological advancement. Let's take a closer look at the work of AI engineers and how they are shaping the future. Rajat Maheshwari, a member of Mastercard's Cyber and Intelligence Solutions team, works on developing tools to prevent scams and manage customer risk. His role involves understanding the mindsets of fraudsters by creating synthetic identities, fake personas that can be used to simulate real-world fraud scenarios. These synthetic identities come complete with facial masks and fingerprints, demonstrating just how sophisticated fraud has become. Rajat explains that their goal is not to break security systems but to strengthen them by anticipating the methods criminals might use. With deepfakes becoming increasingly common, cybersecurity professionals must stay ahead by leveraging AI to detect and prevent fraudulent activities. Mastercard's AI models assess transactions in real time, identifying suspicious patterns and blocking fraudulent payments before they happen. At Amazon Web Services, AWS, Joel Garcia and his team take a unique approach to security testing through a project called Chaos Kitty. This initiative intentionally introduces failures into systems to identify vulnerabilities and improve security measures. Chaos Kitty simulates real-world cybersecurity threats using colorful visualizations to represent AWS cloud components. When a security breach occurs, red indicators appear, prompting engineers to investigate and resolve the issue. To enhance efficiency, they have integrated a generative AI assistant that provides best practices and automates security policy enforcement. By leveraging AI for security, AWS aims to help businesses respond to threats more effectively, allowing them to focus on innovation rather than risk management. A team in Singapore is working on CyberSecurity, a large language model designed specifically for Southeast Asian languages. Leong Wei Chi, an AI engineer and linguist, highlights the challenge of training AI models to understand regional dialects and idioms. For instance, an Indonesian phrase meaning "his beard is on fire" is a common idiom for extreme stress. While some AI models fail to interpret such expressions correctly, CyberSecurity is designed to understand the cultural nuances of Southeast Asia's diverse languages. Unlike existing models that cater primarily to English and other major languages, CyberSecurity ensures that regional languages receive the same level of AI-driven accessibility. The team's work is fully open source, making it available for public use and further development. Vincent O, a senior specialist solutions architect at AWS, is leading a project called StoryGen in collaboration with Singapore's National Library Board. The project allows users to generate personalized stories using generative AI technology. By providing simple inputs, users can create unique books on the spot. This interactive storytelling experience demonstrates how AI can enhance creativity and provide new ways for people to engage with literature. As AI becomes more integrated into everyday life, new job roles like prompt engineering are emerging. Prompt engineers specialize in crafting effective queries that maximize the capabilities of large language models. Unlike traditional coding roles, prompt engineering requires an understanding of language structure and creativity rather than deep technical knowledge. This makes AI more accessible to professionals from diverse backgrounds, enabling mid-career transitions into the field. AI Singapore is fostering the next generation of AI professionals through its apprenticeship program. Many of its members, including those working on CyberSecurity, have transitioned into AI from different industries. For example, Tai, who studied finance, and Wei Chi, a former pharmacist, both shifted careers to become AI engineers. Their stories highlight the growing opportunities in AI, showing that expertise in this field is not limited to those with traditional tech backgrounds. The common fear that AI will replace human jobs is being replaced by a more nuanced understanding. AI is making processes more efficient so that humans can focus on higher value tasks. AI-driven fraud prevention tools, like those used by Mastercard, can safeguard life savings. Large language models are bringing underrepresented languages into the digital age. AI-powered security systems are enhancing business resilience against cyber threats. These innovations are not about replacing workers but empowering them. With AI continuing to evolve, its impact will only grow, creating new opportunities and redefining industries. Those who embrace this shift will be at the forefront of technological progress, shaping the future of AI and its role in our lives. Thank you for exploring the truth about AI engineering, a day in the life of AI experts with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.